This video will walk you through the proper procedure to replace HEPA or ULPA filters on Price products, including the Ultrasuite and the fan filter unit with integrated lighting. Tools required include 2 or more 8-foot ladders or scaffolding, a standard or flat screwdriver, and an Imperial Allen key set. Filters should be installed in teams of 2 or 3. 1 or 2 installers should unpack the replacement filters on the floor and pass them up to installers on ladders or scaffolding. Always handle filters by the metal outer frame and avoid contact with filter media. Touching filter media will result in damage that affects the performance of the filter. To remove the existing filter, first remove the face of the diffuser or fan filter unit. To do this, use a flat screwdriver to turn the quarter-turn fasteners to the open position, or an Allen key to remove the countersunk screws. Next, remove the aperture plate. This is done by loosening the retainer tabs with an Allen key and rotating the tabs to the side. Depending on the product and module size, the aperture plate and fasteners shown in this video may not look exactly like yours, but the procedure generally remains the same. Finally, remove the filter. Loosen filter retainer tabs with an Allen key and rotate all 4 tabs so that they are parallel to the filter frame. Then simply pull the filter straight down away from the unit to disengage the gel seal. Note that after all of the tabs have been rotated, the filter may fall from the device. Please hold on to the filter as the tabs are rotated to avoid injury. Using alcohol or another cleaning agent, remove any remaining gel and residue from the diffuser knife edge. Unpack the replacement filter from the box, taking care to avoid contact with the filter media. Align the new filter and, with vertical movement only, press the gel seal onto the knife edge. Avoid any lateral movement after the knife edge has engaged the gel seal to ensure correct engagement of the seal. Reposition the filter tabs and tighten to secure the filter in place. Replace the aperture plate. Replace the diffuser face. Filter replacement is now complete. Before use, the device must be certified by an authorized agency to ensure proper filter operation. For more information, visit our website at www.pricecriticalenvironments.com.